Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and today I'm going to try to make a fastener pouch from this pant leg to hold fasteners, and I'm going to give it to Gary the Bearded Woodworker, so when he's working on projects he can reach in and grab fasteners. I've never done this before. I'm a beginning sewer, so let's see how I do. Alright, I had the idea to make the inside of the pouch more durable. I'm going to coat it, or a portion of it, with Plastidip. It's a multi-purpose rubber coating. If I can find a link to Amazon, I'll put a link in the description below, an affiliate link, so if you buy a can of this, I'll get a few pennies and it'll help the channel out. Alright, I'll let that kind of dry for now, and then I'll flip it over to the other side. It's like Christmas. It's like Christmas. See, I don't even know, like, if this is a thing that people do. I was just thinking, I wonder how long it would last. This pant leg with a bunch of screws in it, poking at it, and then, like, well, how can I stiffen it up? Can I double layer? I was like, oh, I got some Plastidip from a cosplay thing I was going to do a few years ago. I ended up not really doing it, but I got a can of it left over from that. take some of these screws. Where's that glare coming from? Anyway. Throw those in there. Oh, this is awesome. Wow, I really like this. Yeah. Using this plastic dip on the inside. It's great. So here's the sewing portion I did. I made these straps using 1-inch nylon webbing. And then on the inside, I coated it with plastic dip right here. I really like how that feels on the inside from a rugged standpoint. Wow, I'm gonna make another one. I have one more pant leg from the pants I cut this off of, and I'm gonna make it for myself. And this one's going to Gary. Gary, enjoy your fastener bag or utilitarian bag or whatever, made from a pair of my old pants and some plastic dip and my vintage sewing machine. Yay! Anyway, hey guys, thanks for watching. Peace out, and go make something today. Bye.